Welcome to my channel. I'll keep uploading regular content covering merchandise and manufacturing business in Yiwu, China. This is an intelligent UV printer, and beside it sits an automated packaging machine exclusive live for eraser wrapping, enabling fully automatic production lines. Next up is Smart Warehouse Logistics Gear. These devices operate autonomously, just like having built-in brains. We also spot laser engraving machines that print custom logos onto pencils, alongside another model of high-performance UV printing equipment. This exhibitor stands out with robust manufacturing capacity, special easy-ing in a wide array of intelligent production machinery, and these are just a few of their showcased units. That wraps up today's field tour. Subscribe to my channel if you're keen on Chinese made goods and industrial equipment. I'll keep bringing you on-site sourcing videos non-stop. Drop a comment below for any items you'd like to learn more about, and I'll try my best to shoot dedicated follow-up clips for you. Thanks a lot for your likes.